Today's Words of Wisdom, Enlightenment and Ignorance will be presented in English and oral translation in Nepalese with subtitle in Arabic, Afghanis or Vietnamese, Chinese, English, French, German, Hebrew, Hindi, Hungarian, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Persian, Polish, Portuguese, Punjabi, Romanian, Russian, Spanish, Thai, Turkish and Urdu. दक्षिण एशियामा अवस्थित नेपाल अनेकौं प्राकृतिक सम्पदाहरूको धनी राष्ट्र हो। सानो मुलुक भए तापनि यहाँ विभिन्न प्रकारका वनहरू पाइन्छन्। दक्षिणमा ज्यादै उष्ण तराई प्रवेशदेखि लिएर उत्तरमा अग्ला हिमालको चुचुराहरूले नेपाली भूमिलाई सिंगारेको छ। हिमालहरूका बारेमा चर्चा गर्दा सबैभन्दा प्रख्यात र संसारकै सबैभन्दा अग्लो चुचुरा नेपालमै अवस्थित छ, जसलाई माउन्ट एभरेस्ट अर्थात् सगरमाथा भनेर चिनिन्छन्। जति मात्रै होइन, संसारका सबैभन्दा अग्ला हिमालहरूमध्ये 8 हिमालहरू नेपालमै अवस्थित छन्। आध्यात्मिक रूपले पनि नेपाल एक धनी मुलुक हो। शाक्यमुनि बुद्धको जन्मस्थल पनि नेपाल नै हो, जो 2500 वर्ष अघि नेपालको लुम्बिनीमा जन्म लिएका थिए। यसै कारण संसारका सबै बौद्ध धर्मावलम्बीको लागि पनि लुम्बिनी एक पवित्र तीर्थस्थल भन्न पुगेको छ। यो देश ठुला मन्दिर र स्तूपहरूको गिरनगर पनि हो, जस्तै कि शम्भुनाथको स्तूपा, जसलाई बाण स्तूपा पनि भनिन्छ। दिन सिद्धिएपछि जब तीर्थयात्री र पुरोहितहरू आफ्नो घर पुगिन्छन्, तब सयौं बानरहरूले यस मन्दिरलाई आफ्नो घर बनाउँछन्। अन्तमा भन्नुपर्दा नेपाल आफ्नो अनेकौं चाडपर्वहरूको लागि पनि प्रसिद्ध छ। वास्तवमा यहाँका चाडपर्वहरू एक वर्षका दिनहरूमा को संख्याभन्दा पनि धेरै छन्। नेपाल साँच्चै नै एक आकर्षक भूमि हो अनि यस मनोहर भूमिमा परमभूमि चिहाइले सत्यको सच्चा अन्वेषणहरूको निमन्त्रणा ग्रहण गरी आफ्नो ज्ञान बाँड्न सन् 2000 को प्रेममय सागरको यात्रा प्रवचन भ्रमण क्रममा यहाँ आउनुभयो। हामी तपाईलाई परमगुरु चिहाइले सन् 2000 को मे महिनाको 1 तारिकमा काठमाडौँ नेपालमा दिनुभएको प्रवचन ज्ञान र ज्ञानता स्मरण गर्न निम्ताउँछौँ।
Master Chinghai, Namaste from Nepal.
Namaste.
I have heard the maker finds his her disciple, not the disciple. Find the master. It is happening in my case. Please answer. Thank you and my highest regards.
Yes, in both cases, either the master finds you or you find the masters. It's the same. There is no master, there are no disciple to begin with anyway. Yeah, we are all masters. We just forgot. Some already remembers, just tell you, you have your things in your pocket, you forget, you're too busy. Yeah? So somebody pointed to you, that's not a master, it's just a friend. just in our tradition, people are very humble and call the person who show you something a teacher. That is also fine. It's also fine. But originally, we have no teacher and no disciples. So both can find each other in time.
मौलिक रूपले चाहिँ हाम्रो कुनै शिक्षक अथवा शिष्य कोही हुँदैन, हामी सबै बराबर हौं। There is a question here. What do you say about vipassana meditation that Buddha taught, the path of full liberation and total enlightenment?
Vipassana is one of the meditation methods. The Buddha taught many methods. If you want vipassana, there's no need to come here. There are many teachers who can teach you. I am specialized in seeing direct Buddha nature. Okay? Everyone specialized in something. The Buddha has said that there are many ways to enlighten you, but the Kuan-Yin, the listening to your own Buddha nature is the quickest way. Alright? That's the way we present to you. Seeing your own nature directly. No need to rely on anything ephemeral like breath or body or sensation. Nothing. Just go direct. See yourself.
क्वानिन पद्धति चाहिँ एकदम प्रत्यक्ष छ, सोझै जाने हो। यसले सोझै जानुपर्छ, त्यो यताउति घुम्ने कुरा छैन। विपश्यना सिक्नु छ भने अरू नैसित जानुहोस्, किनभने त्यसमा म यहाँ दीक्षा दिन्न। म खाली क्वानिन को प्रत्यक्ष पद्धतिमा मात्रै दिन्छु। चाँडो आध्यात्मिक चिन्तनको विकास गर्न कसरी सकिन्छ? How can we develop the spiritual thought very quickly? Bhupal Thapa.
Oh, yes. Just go outside and let me know who you are. I come back, see you later. I show you immediately.
There is another question. What is spirit and what is God and what is heaven?
I can show you that, but not by language. I'm going to sit with you in silence, and then you will know the answer. Because these things is not to be explained. It cannot be explained fully in human language. Can be experienced only by your own self, your own wisdom, your own Buddha nature. Yeah?
मानवीय भाषामा यी कुराहरूलाई व्याख्या गर्न सकिँदैन। म बाहिर देखाउन सक्छु, बाहिर जानुस् तपाई।
Respected Master, though I don't have any difficulties and problems, but I have no satisfaction and peace. Why is it so?
Yes, we all do if we don't know ourselves. Yes, that's why we need enlightenment. We need to know our true great self to be happy, to be contented.
सुखी र सन्तुष्ट हुन हामीले बुद्धत्व जगाउनु पर्छ, भित्री ज्ञान उमार्नु पर्छ।
Namaste, Master Chinghai.
Namaste.
Why do so many people are sad or depressed in life?
Yes, because they don't know their own Buddha nature. We already mentioned that. Yeah.
हामीले पहिले नै भनिसक्यौं, यो बुद्धको स्वभाव जुन छ त्यो थाहा नपाएर त्यस्तो भएको हो।
I want to be an enlightened person. What should I do?
What should he do?
उनले के गर्ने?
Get initiation, right.
मैले गरेर प्रारम्भ गर्छु दीक्षाले।
Does one need to suffer for his misdeeds before full enlightenment?
No.